What's up guys, welcome back to my channel The Global Tongue. I'm your friend Sanjit Vishwakarma, and today I'm here again with my new video, and the topic of my today's video is past continuous tense questioning techniques. Alright, in my previous video I had taught you how to use past continuous tense in general conversation, and today we'll go further ahead and learn how to use past continuous tense in terms of questions. Right. So before we begin to talk about past continuous tense, we would need to remember was and were here. So was is used with I, he, she, it, and were is used with you, we, and they. So the questioning techniques formula would be WH plus was and were plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So it's WH plus was and were plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So the questions will be like this: what was I doing at 9 p.m. yesterday? What was she eating last night? And what movie were you guys watching yesterday? And where was she riding last night? And what was she wearing yesterday? So guys, if you have noticed that I have been using time reference here, like last night, yesterday, like this. So whenever we use past continuous tense, we always need to make sure that we are using a time reference. So guys, if you have liked my video, kindly share, subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up, and let's meet in the next video guys. Bye bye.